Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to continue class 10 science. This is acid, bases and salts. So let us answer for unit test paper number 4. In the previous video we have answered for unit test paper number 3. Now let us move for unit test paper number 4. So the first question of unit test paper number 4 is, as the pH value of solution decreases, number of H plus ion increases, number of OH minus increases, number of OH minus decreases, equal number of H plus and OH minus ions. So here, as the pH value of solution decreases, so pH value decrease ಆದಷ್ಟು number of H plus increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ the answer for the first question is option A, number of H plus increases. So now let us move for the second question. At what temperature is gypsum heated to form plaster of Paris? So in our textbook they have given, so that is 373 Kelvin they have given. So we know that 0 degrees Celsius is equal to 273 Kelvin. Add 100 to both sides. 0 plus 100 is equal to 273 plus 100. So 0 plus 100 is 100 degrees Celsius is equal to 373 Kelvin. So instead of 373 Kelvin, so if they ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾದರೂ 373 ಕೆಲ್ವಿನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲ್ವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡೋದಾದರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 100 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ, 100 degree Celsius, because 100 degree Celsius is equal to 373 Kelvin. So for the second question, the right option is option B, 100 degree Celsius. Now let us move for second main, that is question number 3. So second main question number 3 is, what is meant by water of crystallization? So what is water of crystallization? So water of crystallization is defined as the number of water molecules, the number of water molecules present around 1 unit formula of a salt. Around 1 unit formula of a salt. So how many water molecules are present? That number of water molecules that are present around 1 unit formula of a salt is called water of crystallization. So fourth one, what is concentrated acid? So what is concentrated acid? An acid which contains more acid and less water. So ಯಾವ ಆಸಿಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ದು ಆಸಿಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಂತ ಆಸಿಡ್ ನ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So why cakes and bread become soft and fluffy? Because when they are baked, they releases carbon dioxide. Due to release of carbon dioxide, it becomes soft and fluffy. It becomes soft and fluffy due to release of carbon dioxide. Then let us move for third main, that is question number 6. Why does glucose alcohol not conduct electricity whereas rainwater does? So it is a repeated question already in one of the paper. This question is repeated. So now let us answer this one. Because glucose, alcohol does not contain any ions, whereas rainwater contains ions, so it conduct electricity. Because ions are the charge carriers, since they carry charge, it conduct electricity. So now let us move for question number 7. So question number 7, they have given, draw a neat label diagram of reaction of zinc granules with sulfuric acid. So now 7th one is diagram question. Now let us move for 8th one. That is, what is the correct way of diluting the acid? Why? So if you want to dilute the acid, the correct way is adding acid to water, because even solution spills out, no damage to skin, since more water is there, even the reaction is exothermic, there will be no breakage of glass container. So this is the answer for 8th one. So now let us move for question number, that is 9th one, 4th mean. When H2SO4 is added to 1 gram solid sodium chloride is taken in a test tube, which gas is released? This is part 1 question. What changes do you observe when you test the gas with dry and wet litmus paper? What conclusion do you draw by this experiment? So now let us answer this question now. So when H2SO4 is added to 1 gram of sodium chloride, 2NaCl, I am writing the balanced equation, give rise to Na2SO4. This is a sodium sulfate salt, and it liberates a gas called that is hydrogen chloride gas is released. So this is HCl, which is a gas. This gas is released. So what changes do you observe when you test the gas with dry? So dry litmus paper with HCl. So what will be there? No change in color of litmus paper. No change in color of litmus paper. But when wet litmus paper with hydrochloric acid, so there will be change in color of litmus paper, that is from blue to red. The litmus paper changes its color. Blue litmus paper changes its colors to red. So why, what the conclusion you can draw from this one? So we can conclude that H plus ion releases only in presence of water. So in dry litmus paper, so no water presence is there, therefore no change in color. But in wet litmus paper, so wet means it contains some amount of water. That amount of water will make the H plus ions to release. Since H plus ion released, blue color litmus paper changes its color to red. So this is the conclusion that we can draw from this experiment. Now let us move for question number 10. Name the salts used in the following situation and write their molecular formula. To remove permanent hardness of water. First question, to remove permanent hardness of water. So to remove the permanent hardness of water, we are using washing soda. So washing soda we are using, its chemical formula Na2CO3 10H2O. Then the second one, to make drinking water free from germs. So to make drinking water free from germs, we are using bleaching powder. The chemical formula of bleaching powder is CaOCl2, calcium oxychloride. Then the third one is to support fractured bones. So to support fractured bones, we are using plaster of Paris, that is POP. So its chemical formula CaSO4 of H2O. This is the chemical formula. So this is the answer for 10th one. Now let us move for the 11th question. The pH value of 4 solutions are given in the below table. Classify them into acidic and basic solution. So this is first question. Solution E 5, solution F pH is 13. Solution G pH is 9, solution H the pH is 2. So now let us write here solution E pH is 5. So 5 means it is weakly acidic. Then F, its pH is 13. If it is 13, it is strongly alkaline or strongly basic or strongly alkaline. Then G, its that is pH is 9. It is weakly basic or weakly alkaline. Then H, its valency is 2. Since its valency is 2, it is strongly acidic. So like this we have to classify them as acid and base. Now let us move for the B question of this, and this is the last question. Name the antacid used to neutralize excess of acid in the stomach. So name the antacid is given. So the name of the antacid is, either you can use milk of magnesia, that is magnesium hydroxide, or even you can use baking soda. So baking soda can be used as an antacid. So these are the two antacid that can be used to neutralize acid present in the stomach. So by this we have answered all the questions related to unit test paper number 4 of acids, bases and salts. So in the next video we are going to answer for unit test paper number 5. Till then, thank you very much. Still, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos. and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. Once again, thank you very much.